Hi, and welcome to the HPE Aruba Networking Competency Series. I'm Carl Hoffmeister, Senior Program Manager, Worldwide Channel Partner Programs.
And I'm John Wilson, and I lead the Global NAS Sales here at HPE Aruba Networking.
Today, John and I are going to be talking about the HPE GreenLake for networking competency. We're going to be talking about why to join in and take the competency both from a sales perspective as well as from a technical perspective. But first, let's begin. John, maybe you could tell us a little bit more. What is HPE GreenLake for networking?
Good question. The offer is a way for our customers to buy, manage, and even operate their networking environment, but to do so in a monthly subscription model. So think OpEx compatible instead of our traditional CapEx purchasing. So therefore our customers aren't having to use upfront capital expenditures, right? So, but our offering is also built upon the HPE Aruba networking technology as part of our ESP architecture. And we underpin that with digital insights and other services that bring operational value to the customer. Now, one of the things that's very unique the way HPE Aruba Networking has approached this market is that we make our offering to be integrated and aligned with the partners' own capabilities, right? And their own delivery services. So that together with HPE Aruba Networking and our partners, we're able to bring a holistic and full offering to the marketplace for network as a service.
That makes a lot of sense. When I think of our partners that are out there today, why would they want to look at pursuing the GreenLake for Aruba networking competency now?
Well, when we began 3 years ago, no one was doing this, right? And so it's a great question. And when we began, there were no other networking vendors that had any kind of focus on network as a service, as an industry term. But what we had was a vision, and that was it. There was no one in the mirror, no one to copy, but we had the vision that we could foresee this market transition, that customers were going to look toward new as-a-service models for their campus networking infrastructure. And now, fast forward 3 years, to where we are today, and as we've developed and built out this offering, we now have deployments globally in every geography and even across every customer vertical. The growth and momentum is becoming very strong right now in terms of customer adoption. We're all hearing it everywhere, in all the media and the press. You're hearing customers talk about network as a service. One of the big lessons we've learned is that the market transition also requires a massive transformation within a partner's organization, just because it touches so many elements of how the partner does business. And so that means there is a big need for the enablement and training and understanding, knowledge transfer, and all those things about how do partners build up their own delivery and services organizations to take advantage of this transition, this transformation. But one thing is for sure, that growth and momentum I referred to, it's not going away. Every analyst is in agreement that this is only going to continue to increase. And matter of fact, the expectation right now is that this market will approach $1 billion as we get another 4 years from now.
Wow, that's significant.
Right. So Carl, what are the real values that our partners will be able to receive when they participate in this competency?
I think what we're seeing out there today is that there is the shift to as a service you were talking about. And I think that customers now expect partners to be able to deliver against that. When we take a look at the competency, what this has done is provide the partners the ability to learn how to deliver as a service, how to look for those outcomes that the customers are looking for, how to understand how to put a network together, how to do the assessment, the design, the implementation, the management, which gets into the technical part of the competency. So not only will they learn the sales side, they'll also learn the technical side. They'll be able to construct a total solution that's mapped against what the customer is looking for and be able to deliver over time so the customer derives maximum value out of the solution. And let's not forget, there's also the incentive on the back end.
So for the partners out there that they're ready, right? They're hearing this, all the talk, they're seeing all the discussions around NAS. They know they need to do something and they're ready to begin their own journey into the NAS marketplace. Can you share where they need to go as an easy first step for what they should do today?
So that's going to be on the HPE Partner Ready portal and they'll go to the competency page. They'll be able to see everything they need to do to complete the GreenLake networking competency. And with that, please go to the Partner Ready portal and get started.